What's up guys, I'm Kyle, body shop manager, painter, prepper, fitter, all of the above. Just talking about the 914 today, why we chose the colour, what we've done with everything, basically going through it all. So, GC Silver. We chose GC Silver for many reasons, but we just wanted to bring a more modern kind of finish to the car, because all the colours that were done on the 914, they're a bit just dated now. Which it turned out really well, glad we did it, and the customer was really happy with the car. We did the same as the last Porsche we did, with the raptoring of the underneath and all the interior panels. This is just for sound deadening and wear and tear. Always a good choice using Raptor, and yeah, and as well as obviously you can tint it so the colour is the same as the car. Right, so the paint we used the Ottrel base coat, pretty good base coat, and then we used the Glazurate lacquer. Again, it's what I used on the last Porsche. It's just a great little lacquer and it holds up for a very long time. But yeah, that's it basically.
Peace out.